Hi, good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Jacinta Kitoy Elvinia. I am 26 years old. I'm single.
What is your education?
My education is high school level.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I I have three brothers and five sisters.
What is your order among the siblings?
I am third of the family.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
My working experience in the Philippines is housemaid 5 years, serving a couple with two kids, ages 5 and 3 years old. My duties my duties is also do household chores such as cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing.
Okay. What if the baby cry? What will you do?
If baby crying, I will check first the diaper if it is wet. I will change it. If she never stop crying, I will sing a song or feed a milk, and lastly I will check the temperature.
Okay. Do you know to shower a baby?
I will prepare lukewarm water, towel, and soap, and I will take her eyes, nose, ears, mouth to spell with the water.
Okay. What if the children is naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
I encourage them by playing or sing a song, count the number 1 to 3 or alphabet, and I will grate patient for them.
Okay.
I will I will find way to catch attention.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong because I want earn money to support my family financially.
Okay. What will you do if the baby of children is sick?
If baby is if baby or children is sick, I will check first the temperature and I put cold fever on her head. And I tell parents to bring baby and children for to the hospital for checkup.
Okay. How about if you feel homesick?
I fo- uh, to avoid homesick, I will focus my work and I will treat my employer as my family.
Okay. Could you sing another song?
Yes, ma'am or sir.
Please sing it.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Any
because I because I have dog and cats our home.
Are you allergic to any food?
Not mm, no.
What food can you cook?
Mm, the native food.
Can you cook Filipino food?
Yes,
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
yes,
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
yes,
Can you accept take care of other person as to their needs?
yes,
Are you willing to clean the car with extra pay?
yes,
Are you willing to can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
yes.
Do you have any tattoo on your body?
No,
Can you promise not to coloring and nail art?
yes,
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
yes.
What is your mission to your future employer?
Hi to my future employer. Please, to my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, and pers- helpful person. I can work under pressure. I am willing to learn and follow employer instruction. I will promise to finish my 2 years contract and as long as my employer need me. I will treat my employer as my own family, hoping your positive feedback.